Hi friends, welcome to YOLO channel. And today's section, I am going to discuss a general topic as emerging global trends in IoT, that is Internet of Things. IoT is a concept of connecting any device with an on and off switch to the internet. This includes everything from cell phone, coffee maker, washing machine, headphones, lamps, wearable device, and almost anything else you can think of. This also applies to components of machines, examples a jet engine of an airplane or the drill of an oil rig. The IoT is a gained network of connected things. The relationship will be between people to things, and things to things. IoT ecosystem. An IoT ecosystem consists of web enables smart devices that use embedded processors, sensors, and communication hardware to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environment. IoT devices share the sensors data they collect to be connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge device where the data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. Benefits of IoT: monitor the overall business process, improve the customer experience, save time and money, enhance employee productivity, integrate and adapt business models, make better business decisions, and finally generate more revenue. IoT applications: helmet consistent sensor, medical alert watch, smart fitness clothing and smart running shoes. One button product purchase. Ordered at the click of button, Amazon has taken that face literally and produced physical branded buttons called Amazon Dash that link to product in your home. Say you run out of the laundry powder, you can press your dash button for the Tide and Amazon will record your Tide Power product for you. No need to sign on the web with payment methods. Connected car story. The connected car is equipped with internet connections and software that allow people to stream music, look up movie times, be altered of traffic and weather conditions, and even power driving assistance service such as self parking. Use of IoT improve agriculture. An IoT based smart farming a system is built for monitoring the crop field the help of sensors and automating the irrigation systems. The farmers can monitor the field conditions from analysis. This is highly efficient compared to traditional conventional approach. Industrial IoT focuses in the use of cyber physical systems to monitor the physical factory process and make data based automated decision. Security, privacy, and data sharing issues. IoT devices are closely connected. All the hacker has to do is exploit one vulnerability to manipulate all the data, re-entering it usable and manufacture that don't update the device. Feature of IoT: in this new communication system, the 5G aims to connect network online by providing improved wireless connectivity. 5G has been developed in a unique way, enabling it to connect more devices at a higher speed with minimal lag. The cellular IoT application is created to benefit consumers at a low cost as well as provide faster speed. With the use of this new application, we will be able to see complete automation in many industries with the help of smart keys. 5G will evolve to include bigger devices over larger areas in the upcoming years, connecting small cities to even wireless vehicular connectivity. This future application IoT with the help of the public and private sectors to gain optimal benefits. In conclusion, Internet of Things is a concept which is a virtual world of information technology connected to the real world of things. The technology of Internet of Things such as RFID and sensor make our life become better and more comfortable. Thanking you for watching this video. Thanking you.